what you know about yourself is full of ideas. And all ideas is not true. When it comes to figuring out the truth of who we are, all ideas or belief is not true. Why? Because it's changing all the time. It comes from the place of experience, and every experience upgrades the idea, and we are, sifting with ideas. And from that experience, we know the nature of the idea or the mind is changing. When it's changing, it's not true. Whether it's the ideas, which is the mind, or the emotion, is always changing. When it's changing, then that's not true. To something to be true, it has to be unchanging. So the mind is sifting. So when you say I am this or that, you're aligned with the changing nature. And when you align with the changing nature, there's a change of attitude in you. There's a frustration, there's a fear, there's a drama, there's a conflict, there's a madness, there's anger. Those things are there. And because of that, we don't know who we are, and the suffering prolongs. If idea or belief is true, then we should be free from our fear, isn't it? We should be free from our struggle. We should be free from the conflicted life. But the reality is not that, isn't it? We are not free. We are struggling. We are physically struggling in the world, and we are mentally struggling, we are emotionally struggling. That shows that ideas is not true when it comes to spiritual enlightenment, when it comes to figuring out who we are. And this is the thing. All ideas that we identify ourselves with is the ego self. When we identify with anything, we see that as the ego self. Notice we have certain preferences